So we're bringing on an aluminum louvered pergola. We're getting a lot of calls for them. There is uses for them, especially when you're trying to put a covered deck or patio, some type of roof structure over a patio or deck, and maybe, above there's some windows or something where we can't really, add that feature. So aluminum pergolas are a nice option, nice alternative. You can attach them to the house. You can do freestanding, but they have a aluminum louvered system. It's basically electronic, and you hit a button and the roof closes, and so it becomes completely rainproof. And then we've got other add-ons that we can do. We can screen it in, we can put heater on it, we can do an LED light kit, we can put a fan in it, and kind of make a weatherproof, rainproof room, that doesn't have to be covered by a shingled, roof or attached to the house. So it's a nice alternative feature. So the cost difference between a pergola and a roof structure or aluminum louvered pergola, they do come with a pretty hefty price point. They are built in with a rainproof mechanism. They also have guttering that's attached to them. They're windproof. They meet all of the code requirements for wind and snow load. I would say adding a roof to your house is probably 10-15% more than what the pergola is. The louvered pergola comes with a price point, but it helps us solve the problem if you don't have enough room where you're trying to expand your outdoor living area. And meaning the windows, on the back of your house, you have something object that where we can't actually add a shingle roof there. Yeah, if you want more flexibility, we can, install them out in the yard. They don't have to be like up next to the house either.